Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually download the Realtek audio driver in your computer. So first you have to simply you just need to know the name of your motherboard, the manufacturer name and the model name, exactly what you have just installed on your PC. So after knowing that, if you are using your laptop, then you just need to know about the motherboard, which motherboard is using the manufacturer and the model. And from here I'm going to paste my Wi-Fi on my motherboard model here. Now simply click on it and it will simply go to the gigabyte here, so simply click on it and here it is. Now from here you have to simply scroll down, and under you can find the installation, the Realtek installation. So you can also specify the search from here, just like Wi-Fi Realtek audio driver. You can simply search for it and you can find here. So simply go to this section here, and from here you can find the Realtek audio driver for each and every system, like Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 10 also for 10-bit. So I'm going with this one. So this is the most updated one. So here you can see the date, most updated one here. So you can simply click on this download button here, and here you can see it has just started downloading the Realtek audio driver. So that's how you can just install it and you can get back your Realtek HD audio driver. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.